I have not a bird update, but kind of like that. So this time for the birds, the little one has learned to fly. That one, the blue. That one has learned how to fly. Sometimes they go up there, but most of the times they either go up there, on there, or there. It's kind of like a perch for them. I will be doing, like, every month I will be doing maybe 1 to 2 uploads. So, yeah, but, so, I'm also lazy, so. And that was the bird update for today. Not today. Maybe for the month or 2. See you. And that was the bird update for this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe.